All right, so as you guys can tell, we redesigned the set a bit. Every once in a while, you just want to switch things up. But today, guys, we're going to be taking a look at your custom shoes. You sent them into Jason. I haven't seen them yet, and I'm going to be guessing the price. This is always a fun series that you guys seem to really enjoy. So you know what? Let's go ahead and dive right in. All right, so first pair of the day, pretty cool pair of Freddy Krueger Air Forces here. Really dig these. If I take a look at those stripes, it looks like those are really well done. I really dig the vignetting around all of those skin panels. $100 Air Force, I'm gonna say he has these listed somewhere maybe around $275.
$350.
Good for him, good for him. Good job, yeah, these are dope. I really dig these. I always love a good Freddy Krueger theme. All right, next up, we got the cartoon Kobe. That looks dope. I really dig that snakeskin background. I like that sort of colorful animated portrait style. Kobe stencils on the back. Everything looks clean here. I'm always a fan too of the white toes on Air Forces. Really good color blocking. Let's say he has these listed $325.
Sold these for $470.
$470, good for him. Keep it going. Keep it going, guys. All right, custom pair of Vans here. Man, there's some cool stuff going on here. That Dragon Ball around that back heel panel. Obviously the dragon taking up that Van stripe. I think this is an all leather pair, right? Dig these, man. That what's the cloud called? Right onto the midsole? Yeah. Man, these are dope. These are dope. All right, so Vans, you're looking at what, a $50, $70 shoe. The leather pair, maybe a little bit more. I'm gonna say that these are listed at $315.
$250.
Up. These are dope. There's a lot of good thinking here. I really like how these are planned out. Okay, Space Jam Air Forces. Let's see here. Dig these. Gradient looks good. A little bit of stenciling, that classic Serato style theme. Okay. These are listed at $245.
$250.
Okay, all right. Finally, we almost hit one today. All right, cartoon Jordan 1s, dig that. This theme is always a classic. Working with yellow, you know J Money, that's never easy. That's never easy. Doodle design looks good. Classic color blocking here. Shoelaces look good. Let's see. Yeah, these turned out dope. This definitely sells that cartoon theme. I'm gonna say these are listed at $100 shoe. These are listed at $250. $220. All right. Let's go up a little bit. These are dope. These are well done. Okay, we got a classic Bulls theme on these. Are these Superstar Highs? Is that what they're called? Something like that? Maybe?
Maybe.
Okay. I don't care what you charged. You raised the price of this product with these photos. These photos are sick. Dig these. These are dope. All of the stencils look really good. All the logos. Clean color blocking. I mean, I'm gonna say a higher price because these photos are sick. That smoke in the background with the black, how much that white really pops. Totally killed it on the photography here, and you know, you just really raise the premium feel of the product when you nail this. So, okay, I'm not sure what this shoe costs. You think maybe I'm gonna say it's like a $60, $70 shoe? So maybe 80?
Client came with the shoes.
Okay, client came with the shoe on these. All right, cool. So we're talking artwork price here. I'm gonna pretend this was an all white pair. For these, let's say you charged $250 for the artwork.
One time for the artwork.
The clients will lose their mind if you send them photos like this of their shoes being done. Oh my goodness. Time to double those prices today. These are awesome. Keep up the great work. Ooh, the Murakami Air Forces, nice. I even like the midsole work here, man. These are dope. These are cool. Okay. Yeah, I'm a fan of these. This color blocking is really cool. That the midsole work here is awesome. You know what I mean? If you're ever gonna do something on a midsole, something like this, so that even if pieces wear out over time, still looks cool. All right, Air Forces. These are listed at $300.
110, shoes included.
Huh? Why? No. No. Come on. This is awesome. This is cool, and it is time to go up for sure on these. Keep up the good work. Nice clean white photo too, don't you think? Really dope. Good stuff. Jack up those prices. Let's do it. Okay, Off-White Vans. So we got the shoelaces. We got the little hang tag. Also, the Off-White stencil on the inside. Take a zoom in. That looks like it was done well. Okay. $50-ish shoe. I bet you they're selling a ton of these. At a really fair price. I bet you they're moving units on something like this at a low number. And I think that it should be more. But I bet they got these listed like 150?
125.
125.
13-year-old artist.
You love to see it, folks. You love to see it. Man, oh man. Good stuff. I bet you are moving units at that price. For 13 years old, that is absolutely phenomenal. Okay, check out these Pokemon Jordan 1s. We got Jigglypuff and Bulbasaur. Also, I think that it was a really cool idea where they're mismatched shoes, but you brought in through those tiny little eyelet panels, bringing in some of the other opposite shoes color. So overall, cool design. Dig these. Jordan 1. Straight to it, these are listed at $265. 300. Good for you. Yep, dig that. This is a really cool design, and you could basically do something really similar to this with basically any Pokemon. You know what I mean? So a client's gonna see this and they're gonna say, cool, now I want it with Pikachu and Charmander or something like that. So great design, and something like this, clients can sort of start to potentially put their own spin on it in their head and get that done by you. So really cool. All right, final pair. Let's see them, Jason. Oh, man, oh man. Crazy story behind these. So we actually met the artist behind DeVersatile years back, came to our downtown studio. Jason, Chris, and I all met him. And this was like a 1 of 10 pair or something like that. Not all of them had Chucky 3D modeled here on the tongue. That is absolutely crazy. But I think that they did this shoe probably almost 10 years ago. So you said these are on eBay? All right. My goodness. I mean, even without the Chucky on the tongue, these were an all-time, one of the best custom sneakers ever. On eBay, 1 of 10 from just a class artist. These, boy, oh boy, these are in the thousands for sure. These gotta be in the thousands. 1 of 10. Boy, oh boy. These. How crazy is that, tongue? Can you imagine wearing those? All right. These are listed at $3,000. $3,500. Look, how crazy are those, man? Oh my God. But, you know, DeVersatile really set a standard for custom sneakers before it even became mainstream. I mean, you know, when I first searched up custom sneakers in 2011, all you saw on blogs was DeVersatile with their Chucky dunks, their Iron Man dunks. They were absolutely killing it. So these need to be in the custom sneaker Hall of Fame. Absolutely tremendous artwork here. All right, guys, thanks so much for joining us for another episode of Artist Guesses the Price. If you guys are enjoying this series, please go ahead and give us a like. It really helps the page grow and let us know that you guys are enjoying the series. We want to say thank you to all of the artists who were willing to send in their pairs and have them on this episode. We had a lot of fun doing this. If you guys are interested in being in a future episode, be sure to send your submissions to jason@DeJesusinc.com, and that's where we pull everything from. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button if you aren't already, and we'll see you guys in that next video.